morning, ladies and gentlemen. As our cover page suggests, our group's name is Turtle Tortoise. Today, I will take the privilege to introduce you to my team members. They are Jishnu, Sarthak, Arjun, Rishi, and myself, Anukarsh. Over to Jishnu.
Our product. The product we, Turtle Tortoise, have chosen are alphabetical and braided bracelets, fancy necklaces and funky keychains. We are all sure that it will sell well. Over to Sarthak. Why we chose our product? We chose our product because people would like to add them to their collection. They give us a greater market since they are suitable for almost all age groups. Boys would like keychains just for display. Necklaces add to the look. Over to Rishi.
Raw materials. To make our beautiful necklaces, bracelets and keychains, we need some raw materials. They are as follows: elastic thread, alphabetical beads, scissors, small toys, keyrings and hooks. To sum up, our total cost is Rs 700. Now, for the estimated profit analysis. The total cost of the raw materials is Rs 700. We are making 15 necklaces and selling one for only Rs 35. The selling price of 25 bracelets at Rs 25 is equal to Rs 625. We are making 25 keychains and selling one for only Rs 30. The selling price for all the keychains is Rs 750. Our total expected sales is Rs 1,900. Our estimated profit is 1,200 and our estimated total profit percentage is 171.43%. We'll be back after a short break.
We, Turtle Tortoise, will break the stereotype that only girls can wear jewelry. We will prove that girls as well as boys are trendy. Turtle Tortoise. Everyone's fashion, everyone's passion. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Our loan requirement. We request you to loan us an amount of Rs 700, which we will return after our market day. Over to Arjun.
Our marketing strategy. We will be selling our products using posters, charts, mad ads, and on-the-spot offers. Our inspiration. The business icon who inspired us is Larry Page. He is the co-founder and current CEO of Google. He and his friend Sergey Brin founded Google in 1989 at a very young age of 25. We intend to do the same. Over to Anukarsh. Our noble cause. We will not spend our profit on ours. Instead, we will give it for a noble cause. We will give it to the Little Sisters for the Poor, an old age home. Over to Jishnu.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, to have spent your valuable time to see our presentation. Now, we are open to queries.
I'm sure you are going to change the fashion. Just wanted to know that how did you come to the, what was the raw material cost? Do you think of reducing the raw material cost at any point of time? Because we want to reduce the cost price.
You see, we've gone to many shops and we've found the lowest price. We've also done bargaining with the shopkeepers and we've come to the minimum cost.
See, today in this jewelry world now, you know, mom and everybody. They're very brand conscious, no? They want Tanish, all these things, Bimas, GRT and everything, no? Then why do you think that they will buy from a bead like this? I mean, they'll tell, oh, how is the quality? I don't know what these guys have used. How can we believe you?
We'll get back to you. We'll ask our teachers and get back to you.
You want some time?
Maybe what I expected answer is tell that because fashion is a trend, right? There is nothing like anything you do has its own market. Therefore, whatever you do, and also it's coming from you, and with a brand from NPS, people will buy.
Thank you. Any more queries? Yes, ma'am.
This is not a query, but I'm talking in support of the boys. This product is particularly for the boys, so they are promoting it for the dads. So dads are not brand conscious. I believe it. Okay, so I think dads you all should promote your, the boys' product. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.